How to use ChatGPT to perform keywords research. Here are the general steps to perform keyword research. 1. Define your topic and target audience. Decide on the main topic or theme of your content and identify your target audience. 2. Brainstorm potential keywords. Generate a list of keywords and phrases related to your topic. Think about the words and phrases that your target audience would use to search for content related to your topic. 3. Use keyword research tools. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz Keyword Explorer, or other similar tools to get keyword ideas, search volume, and competition level. 4. Analyze search intent. Analyze the search intent behind each keyword. Determine if the searcher's intent is to learn, buy, or find something. 5. Evaluate competition. Evaluate the competition level of the keywords. Look for keywords with a reasonable search volume and low competition. 6. Select the most relevant and effective keywords. Choose the most relevant and effective keywords for your content. Ensure that the keywords are highly relevant to your topic, have reasonable search volume, low competition, and align with the search intent of your target audience. 7. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are phrases that contain 3 or more words. They are more specific and have lower competition than short-tail keywords. Use long-tail keywords in your content to rank higher in search results. 8. Monitor and refine. Monitor the performance of your selected keywords and refine them based on the changes in search volume and competition. By following these steps, you can perform effective keyword research to improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your content. Here are some reputable sources to support the steps I outlined for performing keyword research. Define your topic and target audience. 10 Steps for Conducting Successful Keyword Research by Moz. The Ultimate Guide to Keyword Research by HubSpot. Brainstorm Potential Keywords. The 2021 Guide to Keyword Research by Ahrefs. Keyword Research, the Ultimate Guide for SEO Beginners by SEMrush. Use keyword research tools, Google Keyword Planner, https://ads.google.com/home/tool/keyword-planner. Ahrefs, https://ahrefs.com. SEMrush, https://www.semrush.com. Analyze search intent, how to identify. Use it to boost SEO rankings by Neil Patel. Evaluate competition, keyword research in 2021, best practices for SEO by Backlinko. How to do keyword research for SEO, a beginner's guide by Moz. Select the most relevant and effective keywords, keyword research for SEO, the definitive guide by Brian Dean. How to choose keywords for SEO and PPC by WordStream. Use long-tail keywords, the long-tail keyword bible for e-commerce SEO by BigCommerce. Monitor and refine, keyword research, how to monitor your competitors' keywords by SEMrush. 10 Best Keyword Research Tools for SEO, 2021 edition by Ahrefs.